Join me as I put ATuMan's powerful 3-in-1 laser distance meter to the test and see if it can really give me accurate measurements up to 131 feet. This device boasts a range of unique features that set it apart in the market, including its ability to measure distance, calculate area, and even determine volume, all in one compact package. Measuring distances manually can be a real challenge, often resulting in inaccurate readings and wasted time. People face common issues such as difficulty measuring long distances, obstacles getting in the way, and the physical strain of using traditional measuring methods like tape measures. Manual measuring methods can also lead to human error, which can have significant consequences in fields like construction or engineering. The need for precision in measurements cannot be overstated, as it can make all the difference in ensuring a project is completed correctly and safely. Many people struggle with finding a reliable and efficient way to take measurements, which is where the ATuMan laser distance meter comes in. The ATuMan laser distance meter offers a range of functionalities that make it an essential tool for anyone who needs to take accurate measurements. Its distance measurement function allows users to quickly and easily measure distances up to 131 feet, making it perfect for large spaces or outdoor projects. The device also includes an area calculation function, which can automatically calculate the area of a room or space based on the distance measurements. Additionally, the volume measurement function enables users to calculate the volume of a space, making it ideal for tasks like moving or storing items. These features combined make the ATuMan laser distance meter a versatile and powerful tool. Using the ATuMan laser distance meter is straightforward and intuitive, with a simple and user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate the different functions. During the demonstration, the device's accuracy and ease of use really stood out, with quick and precise measurements that made it easy to get the job done. One standout feature of the device is its ability to store previous measurements, making it easy to keep track of progress and refer back to earlier readings. The device's compact design and lightweight construction also make it easy to take on the go, perfect for contractors or DIY enthusiasts who need to take measurements in different locations. The demonstration also highlighted the device's ability to take measurements in a variety of environments, from bright outdoor spaces to dimly lit indoor areas. The ATuMan laser distance meter performed flawlessly in each setting, providing accurate and reliable measurements that made it easy to complete the task at hand. Whether measuring the distance between 2 points, calculating the area of a room, or determining the volume of a space, the device proved itself to be a valuable and trustworthy tool. Its ease of use and versatility make it an essential tool for anyone who needs to take accurate measurements. The ATuMan laser distance meter is a game changer for anyone who needs to take accurate measurements, simplifying tasks and saving time in the process. With its range of functions and user-friendly interface, it's the perfect tool for contractors, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone else who needs to take precise measurements. Using the ATuMan laser distance meter can greatly simplify tasks and provide accurate measurements, making it an essential tool for anyone who needs to take precise readings. If you've had any experience with laser meters or have any questions about the ATuMan laser distance meter, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know, and don't forget to check out my other product reviews for more in-depth looks at the latest tools and gadgets.